Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today is a special weekly assembly. Why, you may ask? Well, it's because today we have a program called Commission Appointment Leaders, or in Malay, it's Watikah Pelantikan Pemimpin. For more content, let's jump into the video.
Ay papi, mala fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto drama de nada, dime si vienes a mi cama.
Assalamualaikum, Sir Inspector.
Waalaikumsalam.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
What is your hope for our leaders this year?
Okay, my hope for the young leaders at SMA Kota Gelangi 3, they will give a great example for the students. Be the best among the best. Take control what their teachers give the orders to gain the community into the harmony.
Okay, thank you, Sir Inspector.
Alright.
Well, today is an interesting day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.